In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Roblox not sending password reset email. So if you're trying to reset your password in Roblox and if the email is not being sent to you, there might be various reasons behind it and you can do a few things in order to fix it. The first thing that you can do is simply check the spam folder. Accidentally, sometimes the Roblox email might be in the spam folder. So for that, what you have to do is look at left. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option more. Now find this option for spam and click on it. Now in the spam folder, you should be able to find the email sent by Roblox. If you do not find it over here, you might have accidentally trashed it. So for that, also try checking the trash folder. If you do not find the email over here, there might be some problem with the Roblox itself. So what you have to do is simply go to the Roblox tab. Now over here, what you have to do is click on this option, resend code. Now after you do that, wait for a while. Now the new email will be sent to you. Simply try checking the inbox folder and spam folder. Now you should be able to receive the email from Roblox. If you're not being able to receive the email, what you have to do is simply contact the support. For that, what you have to do is click on the compose option that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to compose the email. Now click on the to section and type in this email, accounts@roblox.com. Now type in the subject. You can type in the subject according to your choice. Now compose the body. Here I've just written I am not receiving password reset email. You can enter it according to your choice. You can also attach the screenshots if you want. Now after you do that, click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your email will be sent. Now Roblox will contact to you shortly via email and you will be able to solve your problem. So that is how you fix Roblox password reset email not sending. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.